Hold the phone, you guys. We got a new launch here. Can't envision nothing else. Need you right now. Need you when I feel down. Happy Saturday, everyone. So, as you guys know, on Saturdays, we do PR unboxings over here. So I'm gonna show you guys the new launches for beauty products like makeup, skincare, hair, all that fun stuff. I also do a giveaway in every single video. So if you click the link down below, you can enter the giveaway. At the very end of the video, I'll show you what is gonna go out in this giveaway. So that way you got like an idea, because I finally got through my mystery boxes. So I'll show you at the very end of the video what will be going in that giveaway. But without further ado, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, comment down below what you're most excited about, because I'd love to hear from you guys, like what you love and like if you guys like the skincare, the makeup, all that fun stuff. And let's go ahead and get on into it. We have Makeup Forever for our very first one. This is exciting. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, is this the foundation? Oh my gosh. I nearly almost ordered this on Sephora's website just the other day. So this is the new HD, the Undetectable Foundation. So they launched in 40 shades and they have 4 shade families with 3 different undertones, obviously cool, neutral, and warm. So let's see what they sent over for me. So they sent me 3 shades, and what's nice is that I think that like these are like the older one, like older numbers to kind of know how to relate it with other foundations, but they have that in parentheses. But this one they sent over is 1N06, 1N14, and 2N22. They sent me shades for, because they know, Makeup Forever, you know. I'm constantly self-tanning. Right now I'm not self-tan, so this is like my natural skin tone. So I love it that they did this for me. This is awesome. This one will actually work for me really, really well right now because I'm not self-tan. This is 1N06. Then we've got these 2 right here. Take a look at the packaging. Beautiful glass packaging. Love the top. Has a pump too. I love how they have the colors as well on the lids. So I'm thinking 2N22 is actually gonna work for me when I am self-tan. I wanna take a look at this color real quick. Oh yeah, there we go. So that would be when I am self-tan. I feel like I might even need, thinking maybe even a tad bit darker. I don't know, that might work when I'm self-tan. Well, we would have to see on that one, but the other ones I think will work when I'm not self-tan. So thank you, Makeup Forever, for sending this over. I'm super excited about these. It's going to instantly blur. It's a true to skin finish and tone. It's a 24-hour wear, waterproof, sweat-proof, and non-comedogenic. So I think this is gonna be a great everyday foundation, and it retails for $43. Next up, we're gonna go into skincare, and this one is from Paula's Choice. So I get questions asked a lot about like, what are my favorite skincare products and stuff? And honestly, one of my favorite places to shop and use product from is from Paula's Choice. They have some amazing products. They are a decent price range too, and they do wonders for the skin, especially this product, which I'm excited to have another one of these because I completely ran out. They sent over the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. It's salicylic acid. It unclogs and shrinks enlarged pores, smooths an even skin tone, lightweight, liquid, absorbs quickly. This stuff is amazing if you have texture on your face, and I do have texture, so I definitely need to start using this like immediately. It does wonders. It is life-changing. Another great product from Paula's Choice that I use every single night is the cleansing balm. I love it because it comes in a tube, so it really removes your makeup so well. And what the best part about it is it doesn't leave a film on your face. You know how some of those cleansing balms leave that waxy like feel? This one does not. It actually makes your face feel hydrated, but you don't feel like you have like a waxy buildup on it. So Paula's Choice is the way to go. They also sent over, oh, I love this little bag right here. I need to keep this bag for travel. But these are what I use, and I talked about this in a previous video. But these are what I use for my toners, and I love it. And I also set a couple aside that I just keep reusing for my nail polish because I do my own toenails. So I just wash them and stuff like that. So I've got like my nail ones, and then I've got my skincare ones, and these ones are actually really nice and soft. Oh, these feel so good, but these are the way to go to do your toner and everything. I love it. I just throw them in my laundry basket and I wash them. So thank you, Paula's Choice, for sending these over. You guys, if you have texture order this now. I will have it linked down below. All right, so from another skincare brand here, I got a package from Innisfree, and I believe you can get this at Sephora. So it says, spread love with Innisfree. These masks are the perfect treat to pamper you and your loved ones this Valentine's Day. So this one is actually a little bit of an older package because we are now in March, but they sent over some chocolate. Yum. So Innisfree, they sent over a few different sheet masks here. So the first one that we have is the rose one, and it's moisturizing, hydrating, and brightening. These are called the My Real Squeeze mask. The next one that they sent over is the green tea one. This is going to be also moisturizing, hydrating, and also soothing. We have the Manuka honey one, and this is going to be moisturizing, nourishing, and a very like an essence type mask. Then last but not least, we have the aloe one, which is also going to be very soothing, very moisturizing. This one would be a really good one if you just got out of the sun, you got a sunburn or something, or if your skin is a little irritated, it will help soothe it. Aloe is really good for the skin. And then last but not least, they also sent over their lip sleeping mask with canola honey, which this sounds absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm excited for this. I always get so excited for lip masks because they're like my fave, and I just switch them up at like on my nightstand, and I just have to drench my lips in them, especially because it's so dry right now, you guys. It's so dry here in San Diego. Oh, I love this. So this will be awesome to try out. Hold the phone, you guys. We got a new launch here, and it's a new tanner from Loving Tan. We know we love Loving Tan here. So at Loving Tan, we know that the maximum results should be as easy as one application. That's why we formulated Platinum Ultimate Stealth Tanning Mousse. Made for the experienced tanners wanting maximum results, it's our deepest, darkest, yet most natural looking tan. With Loving Tan Platinum, double coats are a thing of the past. Oh my God, I love that. I love this. Okay, so let me show you guys. So we've got, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Okay, so these are two different sizes that you can get it in right here. This is awesome. I love this because the one that I would always use is the darkest one. I had to use the darkest one. The undertone did not work for my skin tone, so I would always do their like the darkest one, and ultra dark, and I love that one. And I'm so pumped to try out this one. This is awesome. I'm so excited. Thank you, Loving Tan. I believe I have a code with them. I think you get a free mitt with it, and it might be Madison. I'm not entirely sure. I need to email them and ask them what it is, and I can put it down in the description box. But you'll be able to get a free mitt, and their mitts are the best. Like, you don't have to worry about them ripping. You don't have to worry about them seeping through. Their mitts are my favorite. So yeah, anyways, thank you, Loving Tan. I really appreciate it. I think they sent me they sent me the mitt right underneath. So this is their mitts. The best. And I think these are like, are they like $10 on their site? I'm not sure, but if you use the code, it will get you a free mitt. So it's either Madison, it's gotta be Madison because it's not a 10% off or anything. So it's gotta be Madison. So thank you, Loving Tan. I really appreciate you sending me your new launch of your new product. I am so stoked to try this out, and I will update you guys like on Instagram how it works. Okay, so the next package is from Laura Mercier, and this one is for International Women's Day, which just passed recently. Yeah, so they send over some, just some like very pampering products, which I'm really excited about. And one of these are ones I've been really wanting to try. So I love my baths. They're everything. And this is the Amber Vanilla Honey Bath right here. And it allows you to surround your senses with a luxurious shower cream. The thick, rich bubbles leave your skin velvety smooth and adds a sense of calm and relaxation, while a nourishing blend of shea butter and vanilla extracts pamper and rebalance the skin. I am so pumped for this. Oh my God. I'm so excited. And look, it even has like the little thingy that you go and you put it into the water. That is great. Then they also sent over some hand cream, which I love. This actually needs to go into my purse. My hands have been so dry. And then we also have some body cream. Oh, I have not used their body cream before. And this is, again, Amber Vanilla. Oh my God, I'm so pumped for this too. I have to smell this. Oh my God. This has vitamin A, C, and E in it. And it literally, it's like a whipped body cream, and it makes your skin feel like satin. Like, it feels so smooth. Oh my God, I'm loving this. Okay, I'm gonna be obsessed with this. I love body cream, which I like body butters and stuff. I'm getting my bag going right now for my empties, and I had someone ask me like, when's your next empties? I'm like, it's coming soon. It's coming soon. I like to pile it up a little bit before I do it. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much, Laura Mercier, for these products. I needed these. I needed these in my life. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So, primed for Madison Miller. This is from Smashbox. I'm so pumped for these. I know Smashbox already had their primers, but did they reformulate them or repackage them? It says, since 1996, Smashbox has been serving base. Now we're serving a better with a new generation of skin defending primers. Okay, so it looks like they reformulated them. Because I remember when they came out with these in the past. So, oh, this is so cute. So first, hang on you guys, I gotta show this to you. So they sent over, oh my God, this is a great little travel mirror. Look at this. And you can light it up, but I have to charge, wait. Yeah, I have to charge it. And then I also have I'm wondering if you can draw. I don't know. They also gave me a whiteboard marker, which is great. So this is amazing. I love this little travel mirror. Look at how sleek this is. This is perfect. I'm gonna take this with me. I'm actually getting ready to go out of town tomorrow. These are the primers right here. So we've got Photo Finish Correct. This is the anti-redness primer. And it basically has algae, rose, and mushroom to soothe the stressed skin and to help reduce the look of irritation. Then we've got the primerizer. This one is going to be their hydrating primer. So it's going to really hydrate the skin for up to 72 hours. Then we have their original smooth and blur primer, tried and true. Like this has been around for so long. Then we have the Illuminate, which is a vitamin C. This is a glow primer. So this is going to really help brighten up the skin. And then we also have the Control mattifying primer, and this one has salicylic acid in it, and it's a silkscreen complex. So love the new packaging. Amazing. Thank you Smashbox for sending these over. Definitely going to have to use these. What I used to do in the past a lot too is I would actually do primer in different areas of the face. If like I was oily in my T-zone right here, I would do an oil, like a mattifying primer right here, and then I would do a moisturizing like on the outer sides, or if I needed brightening, I'd bring that in on the cheeks. And yeah, I would just play with it, and it's so much fun. So anyways, thank you Smashbox. I appreciate it. Cannot wait to try out the new ones. That is all of the PR unboxings, but I want to show you guys what I'm going to do in the giveaway box for this week's giveaway. So you'll be winning the weighted blanket for the eyes right here. Also, we'll be winning the Skin Proud Velvet Cloud Cleanser for Easter coming up. The Peeps sponges, the Strix Concealer Tool, the Almay Mascara, some Fine 2 Pore Tonic from Fourth Ray Beauty, the Versed Out of Sight Dark Spot Gel, 3 different shades of the Kokie Cosmetics blushes. These are amazing, by the way. I'm obsessed. I've been wearing them every day. Some lashes from Kiss, some sheet mask, and these ones are from Dr. Athea Pro Lab. From Skin Proud, we've got the Detox Tonic. And then we have the Super Fine Pore Refining Mask right here. Then we also have the Garnier Sleek and Shine Glass Hair Water. The Proud Skin Sorbet Skin Everyday Jelly Moisturizer. The Chasen Rabbits, the Journey to Better Glow Green Golden Ruler. It's a moisturizer. And then the Vitamin C Glow Mask. And the Haru Haru Wonder, this is the Black Rice Facial Oil right here. So that is everything you guys will be winning in this week's giveaway. Let me know if you guys like seeing this, what you'll be getting, or if you just want to do the mystery boxes. But let me know. You can enter in with the link down below. Give the video a thumbs up. Comment what you are most excited about. And I will see you guys in next week's Saturday's PR unboxing. Bye.